Hello children, welcome to our class. How are you all? Are you all listening to our classes? Class 5 Nana. In class, are you listening all the classes? We have completed 4 classes. That means we have completed, by exam we have completed first chapter. First chapter is about numbers. In first chapter ready steady, we have completed A bit, B bit, C, D, E, F up to F bits has completed. Now C, G bit. Round of the following as directed. Otherwise, ready steady. Chapter 1. G bit round of the following as directed. First question, round up the following numbers as direct means the nearest numbers, nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousands, nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousands. Already we have class 4 we have learned. So first question is 84 to nearest to 10. 84 to nearest to 10. 84 to nearest to 10. They are asking nearest tens. Then first we will write 84 here. Now they are asking to nearest to tens. Nearest tens, if they ask nearest tens, then you have to come to the ones place number. What we have in the ones place? 4. 4 is above 5 number or below 5 number? Do you know above 5 numbers and below 5 numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are below 5 numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are above 5 numbers. Below, above. These are below 5 numbers. These are above 5 numbers. Below 5, above 5. Below means less than 5, above means greater than 5. Now, they are asking nearest to tens, then we will 84. Now we have to find 84 is nearest to tens. That means either 84 is nearest to 80 or 90 we have to find. Then, how to find that? First of all, come to the ones place. What we have in the ones place? 4. Now check here 4. 4 is in below 5 numbers or above 5 numbers? Below 5 numbers. If the number is below 5, then you have to write the tens place number as it is, and in the ones place you have to write 0. So 84 is nearest to 80. 84 is nearest to 80. Like this you have to find. Next. What is the second question? 296 nearest to 100. 296 to nearest 100. Nearest 100. Now they are asking for this 296 is nearest hundreds. Now they are asking nearest hundreds. If they ask nearest 100, then you have to count up to tens place. If they ask nearest to tens means you have to count only ones place. If they ask nearest to tens, then you have to count only ones place. If they ask nearest 100, then you have to count both tens ones place and tens place. Ones place and tens place. Now first count the ones place. What do you have in the ones place? 6. Leave the ones place number. Leave the ones place number. Then come to the tens place numbers. What do you have in the tens place? 9. 9 is above 5 number or below 5 number? See there 9. 9 is in above 5 numbers or below 5 numbers? 9 is in above 5 numbers. If the number is above 5, simply you have to increase the next number to 1 time. You have to increase the next number to 1 time. What is after 9? What is the next number here? 2. If you increase 2 to the 1 time, then what you will get? 3. Then in remaining 2 places, you have to write 0. If the number is above 5, if the number is below 5, then you don't increase the next number. You have to write the number as it is, but in ones place, you have to write 0. If the number is above 5, then you have to increase the next number 1 time. Next number 1 time. Now here they are asking nearest hundreds. They are asking nearest hundreds. They are asking nearest hundreds. So leave the ones place. You have to leave the ones place and you have to check the tens place. In tens place you have 9. 9 is above 5 number. If the number is above 5, then you have to increase the next number 1 time. And remaining 2 places you have to write 0. So after 9 is above 5 number. So it is above 5. Because of that reason I have increased 9 by 1 time. Then 2 becomes 3. In remaining 2 places we have to write 0. In remaining 2 places I have written 0. Then these two has completed. Now next question. now we will find 1797 they have given. Now for this number we have to count nearest 1000. They are asking nearest 1000, so you have to leave ones place and tens place. You have to leave these two places. You have to leave ones place and tens place because they are asking thousands. No, if they ask 1000, then you have to check only hundreds place. If they ask hundreds, then you have to check only tens place. If they ask about tens, then you have to count only ones place. Now here they are asking thousands. 1797 nearest 1000. They are asking to 1000. No, before 1000 the place value is 100. So you have to check before place value number. Before 1000 the place value is 100. So you have to check only hundreds place number. Before two place values you have to leave. That means ones place and tens places both values you have to leave. Now ones, tens. In hundreds place you have to check. In hundreds place you have 7. Now come here and see. 7 is above 5 number or below 5 number? Very good. 7 is above 5 number. If the number is above 5, then what you have to do? If the number is above 5, simply you have to increase the next number, and in remaining places you have to write zeros. What you have to write? In remaining places you have to write 0. 7 is above 5 number. So we have to increase. After 7 we have 1. So we have to increase 1 to 1 time. Then it becomes 0. In remaining 3 places we have zeros. So 1797 is nearest to 2000. Okay. Next, fourth one. Last question. 1291. 1291 nearest to 1000. Same like third one only. Same like this only. Now 1291. Now here also we are asking nearest thousands. Nearest thousands means which place value you have to check? Very good. Hundreds place value you have to check, because if they ask nearest 1000, then you have to check hundreds place. If they ask nearest 100, then you have to tens place. You have to check tens place. If they ask nearest tens, then you have to check ones place. Before place value you have to check. Now here they are asking to nearest thousands, so we have to check hundreds place number. Ones, tens, hundreds. What do you have in the hundreds place? 2. 2 is above 5 number or below 5 number? Below 5 number. So you have to increase the next number and you have to write as it is. If the number is below 5, don't increase the next number. You have to write as it is, and remaining 2 also as it is. In remaining 2 places we have 0. So 1291 is nearest to 2000. Sorry, Nana, 1000. 1291 is nearest to 1000. Same like this only. See. 7 is above 5 number. If the number is above 5, then you have to increase the next number as it. You have to increase the next number one time, and remaining places you have to write 0. Now 2 is below number. If the number is below 5, then you have to no need to increase the next number. Next number ni increase cheyalina avasaram ledu. So if you increase, now it is below number only. 1291. Now check the hundreds place number. In hundreds place you have 2. 2 is below 5 number. If the number is below 5, then don't increase the next number. We have to write the next number as it is. After 2 the next number is 1. We have to write 1 as it is, and remaining 3 places 0. Remaining 3 places 0. So 1291 is nearest to 1000. Like this we have to find. Then don't worry about this topic. We will learn next in second or third chapter. We have about nearest numbers. So we will learn deeply about in that chapter. Okay. Just it is for introduction only. So if you not understood, then I will explain again. So don't worry about this. I think in third chapter we have this, third or fourth. So we will learn again this. Okay. Next. Now ready study has completed. Now we are class 5. In class 4 we have learned the numbers from lakhs to 10 lakhs. We have learned 1 lakh to 10 lakhs. We have learned. In class 5 we have learned the numbers from 1 crore to 10 crore. We will learn. How to write 1 lakh, Nana? Today we will write how to write numbers. Numbers from 1 crore we will learn. Before going to numbers from 1 crore, first of all we will recall once what we have learned in class 4. In class 4 we have learned the numbers from 1 lakh onwards. 1 lakh can be written as, for 1 lakh we have 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 zeros. If you have 5 zeros, then that number is called 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the 6-digit smallest number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 1 lakh we have 5 zeros and 6 digits. So 1 lakh is the 6-digit smallest number. 6-digit smallest number. At the same time, 6-digit largest number is 9 lakhs 99,999. Then after 9,99,999, the next number is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. After 10 lakhs, before I am saying first 10, afterwards I am saying lakhs. 10 lakhs means 10 you have to write as it is lakh. For 1 lakh, how many zeros are there? 5 zeros. So you have to write 5 zeros. It is called 10 lakh. Then 10 lakh is a 7-digit smallest number. Then 7-digit largest number is 99 lakhs 99,999. In class 4 up to here we have learned. That means in class 4 we have learned up to 7 digits. Up to 7 digits. Now in class 5 we will learn about 8-digit number and 9-digit number. 8 and 9-digit numbers. 8 and 9-digit numbers. Now 99 lakhs 99,999 is the 7 lakh largest number. Then how we will get 8-digit smallest number? By adding 1 to the 7-digit largest number. 7-digit largest number ki 1 add chese emosarnana, we will get 8-digit smallest number. The 7-digit largest number is 99 lakhs 99,999. What we have to add for this? 1. 1 we have to add. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 here. 1 becomes carried to the next number. 9 plus 1, 10. 0. 1 becomes carried to the next number. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 here. 1 becomes carried to the next number. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 here. 1 becomes carried. 9 plus 1, 10. 0. 1 becomes carried. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 here. 1 becomes carried. 9 plus 1, 10. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many digits are there? 8 digits are there. This is the 8-digit smallest number. The 8-digit smallest number is 1 crore. What is that? 1 crore. Very good. The spelling of crore is C-R-O-R-E. Crore. So the 8-digit smallest number is 1 crore. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros are there. If you have 7 zeros, then that number is called 1 crore. The 8-digit largest number is 9 crores 99 lakhs 99,999. It is 8-digit number. What is this? 8-digit number. Then afterwards, last number is 9-digit number. How to get 9-digit number? By adding 1 to the 8-digit largest number. The 8-digit largest number is 9 crore 99 lakhs 99,999. By adding 1 to the 8-digit largest number, 1 ni add cheyali. By adding 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 here, 1 carry. 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 9 plus 1, 10, 0 here, 1 becomes carry. 9 plus 1, 10. Don't write carry here because here we don't have any numbers. So now it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is a 9-digit smallest number. It is called 10 crores. It is 10 crores. Crore, 10 crore. That means in class 5 we have learned about 8-digit number and 9-digit number. The 8-digit smallest number is 1 crore. In 1 crore we have 7 zeros. Then the 8-digit largest number is 9 crores 99 lakhs 99,999. Then the 9-digit smallest number is 10 crore. How many zeros are there? 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros are there. Then the 9-digit largest number is 99 crores 99 lakhs 99,999. 999. So these two digits we have learned newly in class 5. So we will write once we will write this box from 1 digit to 9 digit. Afterwards we will learn about Indian system placement. Numbers from 10 crore. Before going to that, I will draw one box. Already you know how to write the numbers from lakhs to 10 lakhs. So in class 5 we will learn how to write the number from 1 crore to 10 crores. So, before going to that, your smallest number we have to learn and largest number we have to learn. Up to 90 numbers has completed. So we will recall that. 1 digit to largest. 1 digit numbers. The 1 digit smallest number is 1. 1 digit largest number is 9. Next, 2 digit numbers. 2 digit numbers. 2 digit numbers. 2 digit numbers are starts from 10 onwards. So 2 digit smallest number is 10. 2 digit largest number is 99. Next, 3 digit numbers. 3 digit numbers. 3 digit smallest number is 100. 3 digit largest number is 999. 4 digit number. 4 digit numbers. 4 digit smallest number is 1000. It is 10. 100. HUNDRED. 100. 1000. The spelling of 1000. THOUSAND. 1000. Then largest number is 9999. Next, 5 digit number. 5 digit numbers. 5 digit smallest number is 10,000. T and 10. 1000. The spelling of 1000 here I have written already. THOUSAND. 1000. So the 5 digit largest number is 99,999. See, are you observing anything here? If I said 1 digit, then we are getting only one digit. Here 1 digit, 1 digit. If I said about 2 digits, here we are getting 2 digits. 2 digits, 2 digits. Here 3 digit number. 3 digits, 3 digits. 4 digit number. 4 digits, 4 digits. Now you have to remember one thing. Always largest numbers are in 9s only. And the smallest numbers are in 1s and 0s only. Each time 1 1 0 is increasing. Here we don't have any 0. Here 1 0. Here 2 zeros. Here 3 zeros. Here 4 zeros. That means 0 is increasing. Next, 6 digit number. 6 digit numbers. 6 digit smallest number is 1 lakh. It is called lakh. 6 digit largest number is 9,99,999. Next, 7 digit number. 7 digit smallest number is 10 lakhs. 10 for 1 lakh we have 5 zeros, so you have to write 5 zeros. 10 lakhs. Spelling of lakhs. LAKHS. 10 lakhs. 7 digit largest number is 99 lakhs 99,999. Up to here in class 5. So in class 4 we have learned. In class 5 we have learned about new number, that is 8 digit number. The 8 digit smallest number is 1 crore. What is that? 1 crore. How many zeros are there for 1 crore? Thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 1 crore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then how many zeros are there? 7. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is called crore. The largest 8 digit number is 9 crores 99 lakhs 99,000 999. Then the last number is 9-digit numbers. 9-digit numbers. 9-digit smallest number is 10 crores. It is called 10 crore. 9-digit largest number is 99 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999. These are the digits from 1 digit to 9 digits. Then you have to learn this. You have to practice this once. Then you can remember easily. If I ask 1 digit number, then we are getting only one digit. If I ask 2 digit number, then we are getting two digits only, two digits. Then 4 digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits are there. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits are there. And more one thing, always if I ask about largest number, what is the 4 digit largest number? 9,999. 9,999. 4 digit number means 4 nines are there. 1s, 10s, 100, thousands. 9,999. 5 digits largest number. 5 is largest number. 99,999. 5 digits are there means 5 nines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nines. Count the place values. 1s, 10s, 100s, thousands, 10,000s. 99,999. Like this. 9 digit largest number. 9 digit means 9 nines are there. 9 nines are there. 9 nines are there. Count the place values. 1s, 10s, 100s, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. 99 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999. You have to remember like this. That means always largest numbers are in nines only. If I ask 1 digit, only 1 9 is there. If I ask 2 digits, then 2 nines. 3 digits, 3 nines. 4 digits, 4 nines. Like that, nines are there. Then in smallest numbers, only zeros are increasing. Here we don't have 0. Here 10, 1 0. In 100, 2 zeros. In 1000, 3 zeros. In 10,000, 4 zeros. In lakh, 5 zeros. 10 lakhs, 6 zeros. 1 crore, 7 zeros. 10 crores, 8 zeros. Like that. Zeros are increasing. It is a table about smallest and largest numbers. Then afterwards, in class 4 already have learned how to write the numbers. 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh up to 10 lakhs you have learned. Then after 9,99,999, the next number is 1 crore. 1 crore can be written as like this. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros are there. So it is 1 crore. Then today we will learn how to write the numbers from 1 crore to 1 crore 100. 1 crore 1. 1 crore 2. 1 crore 3. 1 crore 4. 1 crore 5. 1 crore 6. 1 crore 7. 1 crore 8. 1 crore 9. 1 crore 10. These are the numbers from 1 crore to 1 crore 10. Then here 1 crore 10 to Okay children, up to here learn perfectly. In next class we will learn how to write numbers. Okay, very good. Practice this box. Okay Nana, very good.